Do you guys see that? That is what's happening on Toronto roads right now. So if you don't have to be out, don't go out. Oh, guess who's back with another vlog? I know, it's kind of been a while. I kind of went on a hiatus for a sec, just needed to get my energy back after Vlogmas. Took a lot out of me to upload a video a day, but I'm so happy and thankful that I did what I did, and now I am back and rejuvenated with my coffee. As you can see, my Christmas tree is still up, and yeah, between juggling work and taking this tree down and sipping my coffee, that's basically what I have planned today. Today is January the... what is the date today? Hold on. Is it just me, or do dates not matter as much anymore since COVID? I don't even know. It's so hard to keep track of the days. January 13th today. So that's what I have going on. And I guess my update for vlogging is that instead of doing a vlog a day, I might just do a vlog encompassing my week. So I'm gonna put in the description box below what my upload schedule is going to be like moving forward. And yeah, I hope you guys are cool with it. Also, I installed my old Rode mic. I have a Rode shotgun mic with a dead cat that I was using for my older tarot videos, like way back, like a year ago when I first started out. When I was still filming on my cell phone, and I was able to pop it onto my new vlogging camera, and I think the sound quality is like on point now, because it was bothering me. Sorry Sony, your in-house built-in mic was alright, but I think I prefer the quality of sound with the Rode mic facing me directly. So let me know in the description, in the comments below, if you guys agree on the sound quality of this video. So anyway, I'm gonna go and put some appropriate clothes on, finish my coffee, juggle some work stuff while simultaneously putting my Christmas tree away, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. It's good to be back. A little weird, but it's good to be back. Also, remember my Christmas nails? Well, this happened. My poor thumb popped off today, so I have an appointment to get them redone tomorrow. This corner is pretty empty again. No more Christmas tree. I'm definitely gonna miss having the lights back here, but that's okay. I'm happy for a clean space. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, well, at least this portion of the vlog here. I'm gonna have some dinner and then spend the rest of the evening doing like a self-care type of night, probably throw on a face mask. My cousin got me a face mask for Christmas. Let me just show you. It's these aloe vera face masks by Creme. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this brand before, but it comes with 5. I'm just super excited to use it. It comes with vitamin A, vitamin C, and it's aloe vera. So that's always good. I'm gonna do that. And then also use my bath fizz that I collabed with Haiku Productions on. It's CBD infused, so it's perfect for relaxing your muscles after a long day. And I personally chose all of the scents that we used for the bath fizz. So really excited with that. Did I say wine? If I didn't, I'm definitely gonna pour myself a glass of wine and just pamper myself tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the rest of the vlog here, and I guess I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. It's good to be back, by the way. Feels really natural. See ya. Okay, I'm just putting some socks on, and then I am gonna head over to my appointment to get this thumb fixed. Y'all know my nail popped off yesterday. I don't know if y'all think that's gross, but yeah, my gel nail popped off. I'm gonna go get them redone and filled, and as usual, I will show you guys what's up. So something stressful just happened. As you guys saw in the last clip, I was rushing, putting on some socks to try to get to this nail appointment that I had. Well, lo and behold, I put on my jacket only to realize that my wallet was not in my jacket. So of course, like every other normal person, you tear your condo apart trying to find this damn thing. And I just couldn't find it anywhere. So I had an anxiety attack, a pretty major one actually. Tore the condo up some more, tore apart my car, trying to find this place as fast as possible because my phone is simultaneously buzzing from Nail Fix in the 6 asking me if I'm still showing up to my appointment. So the short of it is that I ended up going, as you guys saw in my previous clips. This is the final product. It's super neutral, very natural and beautiful, which is the vibe I'm in right now. I'm like one of two things. I'm either extremely loud and I'll walk out with like neon nails or the most intricate designs, or I'm super neutral. I don't know. I've always been that way. So needless to say, got home and tore apart my car one more time, and lo and behold, I found my wallet. Yes, my wallet is a coin pouch. I have only my essentials in here, some cash, all my IDs, and I found it. But guess where I found it? On the floor of the driver's side of my car. So if you're gonna take any lessons from this, I just feel like Mercury retrograde is going to be bananas. It's gonna be bananas. Today's day 1, and it's already bananas. Okay. Mine too, please. Perfect. Thanks, Dad.
Not me.
Okay, I'm about to try.
See the delayed reaction from your mother?
Oh my gosh, this is like the best Filipino comfort food ever. Like ever. Vietnamese people have pho, Chinese people have congee, Filipino people have arroz caldo. So good. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, Dad. Hi everyone. So today is January the 17th, so I haven't spoken to you guys in a couple days now. There was a massive snowstorm here in Toronto and it's still snowing. And it's like 4:30 in the afternoon now. It's about 60 centimeters of snow today. Literally the highways are a mess, the roads are a mess. I have not left my house. I don't suggest anyone should leave their house today, but yeah, that previous clip that I had shown you was from this morning, and it wasn't, I mean, it was bad, but it's still going. So it went from bad to worse, and yeah, I'm just gonna flip the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, the plow guy who's supposed to be plowing, he's supposed to be plowing the roundabout. He's stuck, and he's been there for like at least 15 minutes now. I'm pretty sure he's stuck. So that's what's up. That is what's up. And those folks all the way back there, all the way over there. God bless you guys for walking in the snow. Yeah, so that is what is going on. Been a pretty crazy day, honestly. Like, yeah. I'm so thankful I don't have to deal with shoveling anymore, but my heart does go out to my parents, because obviously they still live in our family home and we have a very long and narrow driveway. So I'm just thinking about my dad right now. Yeah, thinking about my dad. Hopefully the neighbors are kind neighbors and they hop on over and help my dad get our driveway complete, because I wouldn't want to be doing that right now. Hello. I am about to go and try and venture out into the cold. I need to go to the grocery store to pick up some essentials and possibly even stock up just a little bit with some non-perishables at the condo. I'm a little bit nervous because it looks crazy outside still, but I figured I need some fresh air, so I'm just gonna soldier it out and see what ends up happening next. So I guess I will take you along for the ride. Do you guys see that? That is what's happening on Toronto roads right now. So if you don't have to be out, don't go out. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. So I am just in the middle of prepping some dinner. I'm gonna be making some roasted broccoli. So I have broccoli flowers that I'm gonna go ahead and separate and chop into small bite-sized pieces. For Christmas, I actually got an air fryer, as you can see here. So I'm gonna be using it for the first time today and trying to air fry some fish. And that's basically it, guys, just fish. Oh, fries. I'm making homemade fries with the air fryer and the fish. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing.
Go on then. And he was yelling, I know Cassie's been in. I know because she's been seen.
Want to ride the class?
Super.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Let me know what you guys think of this compilation of clips over the last week. I know my daily vlogs, you guys really enjoyed those, but do you prefer that over the whole week in an episode? Let me know. And yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what my schedule is going to be, but right now it's looking like it's going to be one vlog a week. So keep me posted if you guys prefer one episode per day. Alright, I hope you guys are doing okay, and I will catch you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.